Hi friends, my name is Parul. I'm an artist. I'm running a handicraft store, Lasicraft Studio in Bangalore. If you're following my channel, you all know I'm making tutorials of Indian folk art. If you're watching first time, please subscribe my channel. Today we are doing mural painting. So for this, let's go to God's own country. That land blessed with natural beauty, wildlife, rich and colorful culture. It's a Kerala mural. Kerala murals are the symbol of elegance, beauty, skill, fine art, and devotion. Earlier, the murals are painted on a wall, but now the trend has shifted to the canvas or a paper. The first Kerala mural was found in 15th to 19th century, and the first Kerala mural was the Thirunankara cave. This was the oldest Kerala mural which was found. Earlier, all the material which are used to make Kerala murals like brush, pigments and gum are taken by natural material like plants and minerals. Kerala murals are a fine art of creative and excellence. The most used color of Kerala murals are saffron red, saffron orange, gold, orange, green, yellow, blue, black and white. But now these days we are making Kerala murals on paper or canvas. As you all know, these are the Kerala murals, means it's a very big in size. But today I am taking only the small portion of these paintings. So let's start now. In today's video, I will share step-by-step process of this painting. I'm using this canvas pad for my paintings. In one unit has 10 sheets, the size is 9 by 12 and the MRP is rupees 300. This canvas pad comes with different sizes also like 8 by 10 and 10 by 12. All the paintings are in this sheets. I always paint on the front side. This is a whiter compared to the back side. For the coloring, I'm using this Camel Artistic acrylic colors like this one. It has variety of shades. For the brushes also, I'm using Camlin. So let's start with our first process, which is drawing. If you are good at drawing, you can draw this peacock by yourself, or if you're not, you can copy or download it from the internet, and with the help of carbon paper, you can trace it on your canvas. Peacocks are very common motif in Kerala mural. In Kerala murals, all the figurines or all the animals are very dramatic, very colorful and flower-like design. Here our drawing is complete, so let's start coloring. For this I am using Camel Artistic acrylic color. Kerala murals looks like very tough because it's very colorful and very intricate in design. Many people find it very tough. In today's video, I will share simple tips and tricks to paint Kerala murals. To paint the Kerala mural, we follow two techniques. First is body wash technique and second technique is the lighter shade and the darker shade. So here I am using the second technique. In this technique of the Kerala mural, everything which is we paint is the combination of two color, light color and the dark color. As you can see, I painted yellow color first, which is lighter color. After that I am painting green color, which is little bit of dark compared to yellow color. In this technique, the outer portion of the painting is dark color and the center portion is the lighter color. We follow this color technique for all the colors and in whole painting. Just to show you, I am following the first technique here, which is body wash technique. In this technique, we do the darker color first in a complete portion. The dark color is done here. So now apply the wash technique. In this technique, we dip the brush into the water and wash the paint of the center portion by dipping. Here I am washing the inside paint. Here I am using cadmium yellow medium. The shade number is 045. And this orange color is permanent yellow deep. The shade number is 337. This green shade is cadmium green pale. The shade number is 036. Here I am using Maggie's Blue Hue. The shade number is 282. To make this light color of the blue, I am using titanium white. The shade number is 423. This is a turquoise color. The shade number is 359. This is the permanent blue light. The shade number is 335. The peacock is very colorful, so I am using different blue colors for this peacock feathers. This color looks like red color, but you can find this color with name of Scarlet Lake. The shade number is 394. This spring color is medium magenta. The shade number is 284. Again I am using the same red color, Scarlet Lake. The shade number is 394. The outline. I'm using black color to outline my painting. Outline gives definition to the painting. Our outline is complete here. I wanted to make pearl like design. For this I'm using antique gold color. The shade number is 10. To making a pearl, I'm using the tip of the brush to make a pearl. I want some shine in my peacock. For this I am using antique gold color. Here I am using orange color over the red color to make the texture using the dab technique. Hi friends, as you can see, our painting is complete here. It looks beautiful. Please do try. If you like my videos, do subscribe my channel. Thank you.